Hello. So today I'll be sharing with you, like on your twin flame journey, like how often you might have felt like there is something wrong with me. Like, like everyone is saying twin flame journey is a journey of spirituality. And when I look my situation, all that I feel is like, there is something wrong, and that feeling of wrong, or that feeling of not good enough, like that constant feeling of rejection and all that. So that somewhere takes you to a place of, like I really don't want to do it, because who wants to feel, like who would like to feel that there is daily that someone is going to tell you that you are not good enough, like you love someone so deeply, and all that in return you are getting is you are not good enough. So nobody wants that, right? But if you really seeking your twin flame, and I will tell you, there is no choice, there is like no if. You either complete the process of breaking this separation, or you choose to stay in separation for like eternity. That is absolutely your choice, because you are a divine being, right? You are a spirit. If you are looking yourself from this lifetime perspective, then somewhere you are making a big mistake. Okay, but you need to see the truth. You can see the truth, right? You have seen in so many mythology, it has been said again and again, like you are an eternal being, right? And this is just a one lifetime. And if you see, this is just a one lifetime compared to your eternity, like on your soul journey. If you take that as like 100%, like 100% of your soul journey, so this lifetime maybe, nobody knows, maybe 5% or maybe less than that, because you keep choosing, right? You keep choosing life after life, so that the whole, the main goal is, you keep evolving on your soul level and ascend and ascend, and then you can only close this loop of taking your birth on the life on the planet, by only when you completely merge in love, or completely merge with universe, or completely merge with God. That's what is called liberation or moksha. So and does that mean that till the time I'm not going to feel the place of moksha or liberation, does that making you feel that you are not good enough? That's not true. Even if like you are making your journey day by day, today wherever you are at, that is enough. Okay, so that deep longing to feel the completion by merging with God is coming. Okay, it is coming, it is going to happen. So that doesn't mean that now you are not connected with God, right? So there is just, at a given moment of time, you will be having one separation feeling, that will be taking you to a place of disconnect with yourself. And at that moment when you disconnect with yourself, you feel disconnected from your twin flame, okay, energetically, and at that moment only you will not feel that you are good enough. So even if nothing is happening externally, you are not yet in the physical harmonious union, but energetically you can always get into the state of feeling enough and harmonious union with your twin flame. But for that you have to do your inner work, and understand what is it exactly that is taking you away from your divinity. Okay, so it is not like that God is punishing you at this moment and you have to go through this pain so that you have your harmonious, no, that is actually separation consciousness, that you believe that there is something that you have done wrong, or you are punished, like there was some karma, and because of that you are in pain. That is not true. There is nobody punishing you, and specifically God doesn't punish anybody. You are like God's children, right? Everybody is God's children. We are like brothers and sisters to each one on a spirit level. So nobody is punishing you. You need to change your perspective and see the truth. What is the true nature of universe? Does it created each one of us to fight with each other? No. But we have seen fights, we have seen wars, because there was separation consciousness that this is mine, someone can take it. So that's why we came into fight and all that thing, just to protect ourselves. But when you become one with universe, you become one with everyone. Okay, so how will you cultivate the union consciousness and feel enough? What is that one thing that is going to make you feel enough? There is just one thing. It is not like you are going to feel enough by having everything. You are eventually going to have everything. That is the true nature. You are proceeding towards your abundance. But now, at this moment, what is that one thing that is going to make you feel that you are enough? Even if your twin flame is not there physically, even if there are thousands of things those are not working out, even if you have like come out of a funeral, funeral, even after that also you can feel that you are enough. And that one feeling that can take you to that place is loving yourself. Because you need to see you are not responsible for what is happening with others. You are only responsible for creating your experiences, and you want to experience the good thing in the life. Nobody wants to experience pain, nobody wants to experience suffering. And only by making a choice that I choose to experience happiness and joy, after that only you'll be able to connect with that vibration. Because when you are in suffering and pain, it will be very much even to digest that like love is real. But in that moment, there is one person who is loving you completely, and that one is your twin flame, that one is you, and that one is God. Like all of you are one, it's just one. And you can just find that part deep within your heart and go there. You will find love only, that place within your heart where you are yourself, you accept yourself completely, and you feel enough. And once you come to that state and you are desiring to have something, you can have it just by claiming your support, right? For everything to get manifested, there is a process. All that you need to do is understand what is that process, get that support. There are so many people around you who have manifested things, so they know how to manifest it. People on the twin flame journey, they know how to go through twin flame journey. So you can also get that support and be in peace and joy, right? So all that you need is just love, and rather than trying to get it from anybody else, Just connect with yourself and love yourself. There is always love within your heart for yourself. So even if everybody around you is making you feel rejected, it is okay and it is right to get into that place in the heart and experience that love for yourself. Absolutely. Okay, so you are enough. God has created you completely. There is nothing that you don't have and others are having. Everything that you see in others and you feel, like they have something more that you have, that you don't have, that's not true. You have everything that anyone else is having. So it is just a matter of discovering that within you, right? And God is bringing you to meet those people so that you desire that. Because when you are like in a state, like for example you don't have money and then you see rich people around you, God is not bringing you to that place to realize, see how rich he is and how poor you are. It's not a matter of feeling inferior, but that is a contrast situation God is giving you, and God is inviting you, see, if my other son is able to do that, you can also do that. Okay, and you just have to do, you can do it by just being with God. You don't have to do it with anybody else, but you just need to claim your support how to do it, and then it will be very easy going ahead. Thank you.